All right, then to fix that issue, once the user been signed out, we are not allowed to bring the user into the admin URL, right? If I click this, even if I'm clicking it, it needs to push the user back, right? So I just made few changes in the code. So what is that? Nothing. I just change this condition directly, right? So if not user loading, which means the user is still, if it is still loading, that means the query doesn't have the user detail yet, so it's need to wait. If the user state is not loading, and if the user role is member, or if you don't even have the user details, we need to replace the user to the home route, right? If you have the user details and if this user is still a member, we need to push the user to the home route. Or else if the user state is still loading, we need to wait until it's fetched. So if the user state is not loading, so which means this condition will get load, this condition will get true. So this any one of this condition of this, if it is true, then this part will be triggered, or else the user will be navigated to the admin path. So I just added a brackets to differentiate those two different conditions. All right. So previously we returned this condition as like we try to check 3 different conditions. So at any point, any one condition will become failed. So it's not pushing the user to the home screen. Right now, once if I authenticated myself, if I click it and if I authenticated myself over here, now we've been navigated to the home screen because of the successful navigation. Now if I click admin, so I will be navigated to the admin screen because I have the privileges, because I'm not a member, because my role is admin. Now once I click sign out, look at here, if I click sign out, come on, sign out, I will be pushed immediately to the home screen. And if I click admin, it will not take me to the admin page, right? Which means we successfully implemented that specific option over there. So now if I click this, I will be navigated to the admin page. Admin, right? I will be navigated to the admin page. So we fixed that issue. The problem is just rise over here at this point. That's the only one issue we have. I fixed it over here, right? So now the next part is going to be bring the remaining containers of the admin controls, and that's what we are going to do next.